Hey guys, we're at church. No, church ended, so we're at like church practice, like choir practice. I'm recording a video for YouTube. Oh, hey guys. This is Martha.
I ate nasty jelly beans.
Then why did you eat them?
And you know there was the poop thing when you get to
Bro, I ate a Dr. Pepper one. It was so busted, and I ate a watermelon. I'm in heaven.
Yo, the watermelon?
There was a watermelon.
You like watermelon? I like watermelon.
She says she don't like watermelon. Like, girl. Jiggy majiggy.
Tusikie kutoka kwake Baba Yesu Kristo, tuongee sisi wote, tusiseme sana atusaidie Kristo wote, tuende kwake Thank you.